Here is our OPC UA MES Toolkit. Using this toolkit, you can integrate any OPC UA vendor device in the plant floor and configure OPC UA over TSN network using a standard web interface. From TSN point, this toolkit is used for CUC and CNC configuration, young modular and 802.1 standard performance analyzers like QBV and AS. From OPC UA point, this toolkit is used for mapping OPCUA nodes to ERP variables from plant operator dashboard, mapping ERP variables to dashboard or UI widgets, and fetching live and time series data of the device variables. The APIs for these operations are exposed web interface and can be used by users to integrate into their MES or ERP tools. The dashboard in this demo is a sample one for the user to get started. Now in this demo video, we will look into the OPC UA connector features and how this toolkit helps to integrate injection molding machine data points for visualization in few clicks. The injection molding machine is running an OPCUA server with XML configuration generated from previous information modeler demo. Let's get started by looking into the different windows in this dashboard. First, the ERP variable management window. This window helps to create ERP variables and map the respective dashboard widget and type. Step 1. Now let's create ERP variable for injection molding machines and map the dashboard widgets and variable types. Fill the variable name, type and widget ID. You can find the widget ID in the dashboard window. Now we have created ERP variables and mapped the dashboard widgets. Let's move to the OPCUA Browser window. In this window, you can see the OPCUA Browser to browse and list nodes in the OPCUA Server address space. Below, you can save and store the configuration after mapping OPCUA variables to ERP variables. Now let's map the OPCUA variables to ERP variables. Fill the OPCUA server endpoint address and click Connect. Now you see the list of nodes from OPCUA server address space. Let's search for injection molding machine nodes in the server address space. For your reference, here is the XML created from our OPC UA Information Modeler Toolkit for injection molding machine using companion specification. This XML is being loaded into OPC UA server and node ID 5003 named index is being simulated. Now map the IMM MES mold type index variable to ERP variable by selecting the ERP variable in the drop-down box. This node value is simulated on the server. If you want to enable historian, check the checkbox. By clicking Save, you can save the current configuration in the backend. You can edit the saved configuration later if needed. Now let's jump to the MES Dashboard view. Here, the live data widget will display the real-time data of ERP variable. The graph widget helps to view the historian value of the ERP variable. And the series graph plot helps to compare multiple ERP variables along a single time axis. Now let's load the configuration saved in previous window. Here you can find the live data of the OPCN node mapped to this variable. Now select the ERP variable from the list to view the data historian. Here you can view the time series of the value of the OPCN node. Now select the multiple ERP variables from series graph plot for data comparison. Now you have configured the injection molding machine variables to MES dashboard in minutes. Thanks for watching.